How to disable unwanted melee in Warzone. This will show you how to stop pressing the melee button mid-gunfight when you're playing the new Verdansk update. So what you're going to want to do is, on the main menu, press the menu button on the PlayStation or Xbox, then go along to settings by pressing either R2 or the right bumper, then go to controller, press A or X on that to get into this controller settings, go down one and there you should see edit button layout. There you want to scroll all the way down until you get to the melee section, which should be this button here. Go ahead and click on that button once by pressing A or X, then go ahead and press the new button you want to change it to. I recommend pressing the up on the D-pad or similar on the PlayStation. You can choose different ones, but I recommend that because it will change it to the ping and the ping wheel. So as you can see, them two will change there. And you can also go along to the controller settings at the bottom there where it says overlay advanced settings. Then you can go ahead and change the ping wheel to off. So that means all that's going to happen if you melee during a gunfight, essentially it's going to ping, and that's actually quite helpful. The ping will not come up because it's off. You can delay that or change it if you want to, a few different settings, but that's how it's going to stop you from meleeing mid gunfight. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.